favorite current Tacoma color is still the morbidly named Quicksand, which is sort of a military khaki, but you can't get that on a TRD Pro. Instead, you are limited to a bright and boring white, a tasteful dark red, and the compelling milky clay cement color. The latter looked particularly good spattered with mud, scrambling through twin tracks roughly scratched into the lush tropical hillside. And scramble it did, thanks to a light menu of alterations. None of them apply to the powertrain. Toyota's familiar 3.5-liter V6 is standard and makes 278 horsepower and 265 pound-feet of torque, which is enough grunt to do the job. This V6 has the neat ability to switch from the auto cycle to add things in at will to save some fuel, just like it does in the normal Tacoma and other Toyota vehicles. It does exhale through a TRD catback stainless exhaust system, which gives the TRD Pro a mellow but compelling purr. Automatic equipped trucks get a standard helical limited slip center differential, as well as the very cool crawl control that allowed us to enter into a controlled slide down that pumice slope. A manual transmission is available, and those trucks are exclusively equipped with the familiar 8-track brake-based traction control system. That means no crawl control on the manual trucks. All TRD Pros come with an electronic locking rear differential for added grip.